soft skills, they probably play a bigger role than just your certificate. Hello everyone, my name is Captain Kedar Paranjpe and I have been working for the past 41 years. And out of these 41 years that I served, the initial 21 years of my life from the time I was 18 years old until 2000, that is from 1979 until 2000, I worked at sea. I was a captain for about 8 years from 1992 until 2000. And let me tell you that I had a lot of aspirations. So right from the time I was in the 7th or 8th standard, I had made up my mind that I want to join sea. And that focused approach of mine ensured that I chose the profession and I got into the profession that I had chosen. Life at sea, I find, is extremely good, extremely challenging. There is a lot that one can learn at sea. The reason being that at sea, you don't have very many outsiders who can help you, or rather there is nobody there to help you. So you have to ensure that whatever decisions you make out at sea are only going to be in your own interest to keep you alive. Life is tough at sea. I used to be away from the family for at least about 7 to 8 months a year. I think that every profession has its own pros and cons. And if you keep a positive approach, I am sure you can sail through. There is nothing that is difficult in life. Only thing is that you have to have a very focused and a positive approach. I remember one of the challenges that I can tell you, or I remember, is when we were caught in a very severe storm when we were in the Bay of Bengal. And the decisions that I had to make at that point in time to ensure that all the people are saved and the ship is saved, they were bold decisions that I had to make. And we were in the storm for good about 6 hours. And to be very frank, at that point in time, I didn't know myself whether we would be able to make it. But whatever I had learned in those initial years of my career at sea, and the decisions that I made at that point in time saved all of us. So folks, while you are going to concentrate on the profession that you have chosen, whether it is engineering, medical, whatever it is, please ensure that you also sharpen your soft skills. Soft skills, they probably play a bigger role than just your certificate. That certification, the degree certificate that you get from the university will only take you that far. But if you want to achieve greater heights, this is what you need.